Hi guys, Brandon Dool here with Fagen Fighters Restoration and Fagen Fighters WWII Museum. Today we're going to give you a little update on where our Helldiver project is, so let's get started. So what we're looking at here is the rear of the wing. Now this spar right here is called the flap spar, and it's where we connect the dive flaps and the landing flaps. The dive flaps on this hinge line up here, and the landing flaps down here. Now during the dive, both flaps open up, and during landing, just the lower flap will open down. Now, some of you may be asking, why red? Military aircraft, generally people think camouflage and hard to see. So why bright red on a spar like this? Well, during a mission, when these dive bombers would go to attack a ship or a land target, they'd roll in one after the other to go into their dive. Well, when these dive flaps would open up, and they're also painted red inside, that gave the plane following the lead plane an idea of where that plane was, so it was a little easier for them to spot, so there was no problems with running into each other. Another thing we've been working on the Helldiver project is finishing up the control systems for the plane. Now with the control systems, that also includes things like the canopy crank here. Now the canopy has a system of pulleys and cables that roll it forward or aft along these tracks here on the side of the fuselage. So what the pilot does is simply grab this crank, pull it outwards, and roll it forward to close canopy. And then all the way back, and the canopy locks in. Another system we're working on with the Helldiver is the electrical system. Now, like most systems in the Helldiver, it's fairly complex. This is just a little of the wiring we have hanging here, and all that is currently getting strung through the wings so that it can power all the different systems between lights and bombs that hook to the wing system. That's all we have for today. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, it's your history. Learn it, don't lose it.